Hello, welcome to Industrial Surplus. This is a video demonstration of our Marvel automatic horizontal bandsaw with stock feed. It was new in 1972. The model is a 15A/S. Cutting capacity is 15 inches by 20 inches with a blade size of 1 1/4 inch by 15 feet 6 inches long. Has variable blade speeds. Rates are 50 to 400 feet per minute, and variable blade feed pressure rates are 0 to 200 pounds. Maximum bar load capacity is 7,000 pounds. The overall dimensions on the machine are 94 inches left to right, 190 inches long, 52 inches with the head down, and the machine weighs approximately 6,500 pounds. It's equipped with a 10-foot automatic bar feed, operator's control station, built-in coolant system, multi-index parts feeder. It'll feed 24-inch maximum length up to 19 times. Has a 4-foot discharge table, parts counter, and a 5-horsepower main motor drive with a 2-horsepower hydraulic pump, which is built into the electrical cabinet here, electrical console. So I will just do a quick walk through. The machine is in very good condition. We purchased it back in April of 2009 from a local machine shop. We did clean and paint the machine, replaced the rubber protective cover in the back, and just went through the whole machine, made sure everything was up to snuff. It's in great shape. We're going to cut, what is that, about 2.5 inch diameter piece, and we'll go ahead and do that. We'll fire the machine up and see what we got. Now you can set the height over here by this dial, so that you can minimize the downtime of cutting. It has coolant valve control up here as well. And what you want to do is just set it so it comes up above the cut, just a small amount, so that it can feed and then come back down and cut. Now we're not sawing experts, so we just set it up to see how well it can cut. Just as a sample here, I'm sure that the feed rates, speed of the blade, type of blade will all make a difference in the outcome of the cut. So while that's doing that, I'll just do another quick walk around. Here's the model serial number tag up here. Serial number stamped into the machine. Discharge table here. The hydraulic console, electrical console, operator's console. We're cutting at about, 175 feet per minute. We got the automatic shuttle selector on, coolant is on, slow blade speed. This is the amount of cuts it'll take. Set it up to, looks like 450 cuts per 400. Oh, up to four cuts.
Well, I have only set for 4 now.
Oh, I see. Yeah, right. But it'll cut up to 400.
Yes.
Speed, pressure rates. So we're getting into it. Close. continue walking around. Here's the hydraulic clamp for the front vise. This is the shuttle selector for how many, what length and how many length is over here. It's like we're cutting up 2.5 inch lengths and how many cuts we want to make. The back end vise, our bar's not quite long enough. Back support vise. Very nice, heavy duty, very rugged machine. In great working condition. We'll just finish up this cut and catch the feed system in action. Our machine. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.